What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be looking at how we can customize our Windows 10 experience. Now we're talking about customizing the desktop and using certain skins and applications to show certain features in Windows, i.e. CPU usage, RAM usage, stuff like that. Okay, now these have been asked quite a lot on my YouTube channel and also on my forum. People asking, can I display CPU usage and stuff like that. There's tons of programs out there that will actually display this for you, but to have it running all the time on the desktop is what some people are asking. Then there is tools that you can use and programs you can use. Programs like Rainmeter has been around a long time, and Rainmeter is a really awesome bit of kit. It really is. Once you get this set up to how you like it, you can set up your own windows to suit your needs, i.e. you may want to display weather, have your music skins playing, as you can see, all sorts of stuff. And there's tons of creative people out there that have actually created some really good skins and themes for this. Okay, so if you want to do that, then you can go to places like DeviantArt and places like that, or you can always ask questions on my forum where to get skins, and we can help you out over there as well. So that will probably be a really good thing for you to do there, and it's free to join the forum also, so you don't need to worry about any of that stuff. So let's get started anyway. We're going to install Rainmeter on Windows 10 and then just show you a couple of things that you can add in. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can install whatever you like and set it up how you like. It's all how you want it to look and how you want to do it. Okay, so let's get Rainmeter installed on the system. So we're just going to do the standard installation here, and we'll run that. Now once you run this, you'll see that you have already some bits on the desktop, and to get rid of these, you can just right click on these and then just remove them like this. You don't really need to have these on if you don't want to. If you're going to be using some of your own stuff, that will probably be the best bet. You can delete these if you wanted to. Do what you like with them, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so now we have Rainmeter installed, and we can now use some themes, and Geosans black or white. I'm going to be using some of those just to show you what I mean, what it does. Okay, so let's go into Rainmeter now. I'm going to open this up, and you can see here we've got some skins, and this is the default skin. If you want to add another skin, you can do that. You can create a skin here and you can call it what you like. So we're going to call this one Geosans, and that's the one I'm using, and we're just going to do that again. And you can just put what version it is. I'm just going to put version 2. I don't know what version it is. And we're going to add a skin. Okay, and then we're going to add a custom folder because they're on my desktop. Now you can cut and paste these into that area, which I'm going to do in a second. We use the white version here. Now you can use different versions, but we're going to be using the white one here just to add that in, as you can see here. And once you've got that in, you can select what area you want here, and you can load the skin, but we're just going to do nothing and create a pack. And that's basically how you can do that pack there. As you can see now, it's created a pack on the desktop. Now if we click on this pack, it'll automatically install that onto the system, so you don't have to do too much. But with that done now, as you can see, all we need to do here is open up this, and you should now see Geosans white here, which we just installed from here. Okay, so if we wanted to, we can now go in, dig in deep to this file path here and open up this. As you can see here, CD, it will display hard drive if you wish, and we're going to load this one up. So we just click load, and you can see now it's loaded up a nice little thing there. And we're going to come down to where it says system, and then we can look at CPU, and we're going to load that one up as well. And .NET here, we're going to load this up. Now you can make changes here, as you can see, click through and stuff like that. You can make all the changes as you wish, position you want to do it, or you can just drag them and move them around if you make them draggable, as you can see here. So RAM, we can do the RAM as well. I'm going to load this one in as well. Okay, so now they're done and they're all piled up on the top here. So all you need to do now is drag these over to where you want to do them, and they're a bit fiddly once you put them in a big pile like this, but if you take your time you can take a bit more time to do that. But as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You can hold the control key down as well and drag them over. That just makes it a little bit more easier, as you can see here. And if you want to leave that there, you can, or you can just drag this over like so. Now you can spend a bit more time, as I said, setting this up how you want, but if you click on these as well, they open up and they do work as a clickable item here. So it takes you to your C root directory and stuff like that, and you can see the CPU going here. You can leave it wherever you like on the desktop depending on how you want to go about it. You've got your network display, your in and out to what's going on here, and your RAM and CPU usage as well. Again, take your time and set it up how you like. Now also we might want a bit of weather down here, so let's get the weather on there as well. So we're going to open up Rainmeter again and go into here, and this is just one way of doing it. You can drag these into the actual skin area if you wish, depending on which way you want to do it. I'm just going to be doing it this way. It doesn't really matter really, and you can do what you like here. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit here and just add in some bogus stuff here, and also weather. I'm going to add this in and then go next, and you can change this up as well. You can load the skin straight in if you wish. We're just going to click OK here, and you can see that it's created another icon here, and you can just now click on this and install it. It just saves you having to worry about doing all that stuff. Okay, so now we've done that. Now we need to add the weather in, and you can see the weather's now been added in. All we need to do is pull this little tree down here and decide on what we want to do. 0 days, 3 days, or how many other days. You can use the Yahoo, whatever you like. We're going to do 3 days here, and I'm just going to load this in, and up she comes. Again, I'm just going to drag this over. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our 3 days, tomorrow, Friday and Saturday here. It tells you the weather that it's going to be, and these are clickable. It will open up a web page and take you to that location as well, and it tells you the temperature. Typical British weather, as you can see here: rain, rain and more rain. But there you go, that's pretty much that there. It tells you the wind and stuff, visibility, humidity and stuff like that. Now again, you can set this up exactly how you like, and you can change everything to the way you like it. So let's just get something like a time here. I'll quickly add this in again, and I'll just show you one more, and we'll just add time in here or something like that. And we're just going to call this, I mean this will be vCloud or something like that. It is something like that, and then we'll just put version 4 or whatever, or 5, it doesn't really matter. And we'll add that custom skin in as well. Now there is tons of skins that you can actually use, so you don't have to just use these ones. There is a lot of other ones that you can use, and I'm just going to quickly install that as well. And there we go, that's now installed. Again, once you've done all these, you can delete all this stuff and do what you want to do. But I'm just going to quickly open this up here now. And we've got time here, as you can see, and go into the... Here we can either have analog, as you can see here, or you can have digital and so on. You can have whatever you like. But pretty much you can do it that way if you wish. And I'm just going to quickly show you some of these ones that you can do here. Okay, so basically you can set it up how you like. If you just want the clock on there, then so be it, you're done. And pretty much that's it. You can just continually add stuff, and how you want to do it. Now obviously this is a virtual machine, but it will use up some resources obviously. You can check here, I'll just quickly show you some of the resources here for Rainmeter processes, and you can see Rainmeter here, and it's 11, it just changes every single time, 11.6 megabytes, and pretty much that's all this stuff running on the desktop. And this is a virtual machine, by the way, but that's basically how you can customize your experience on Windows 10. You can do this also on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Windows Vista, whatever you want to do it on. Rainmeter will work on that. Okay, and once you've completed all this, you can remove all this stuff and delete it, and then do it how you like. Okay, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That's how you can customize your desktop and display all your RAM, CPU. There's loads of other types of ones and these. This is just some of them that I'm just showing you here. But if you like this, then obviously give the video a thumbs up. My name is Brian from briantechcomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, guys, then hit that subscribe button if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you've got any problems with your computers or questions or any video requests like that, then head over to the forums and you can post on there, and I'll do my best to make those videos for you. Okay, this was just one of those video requests that someone posted on the forums. So thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Bye for now.